YouTube. While I was cutting some of these rods, I noticed that my drag saw, the little metal stop I have, this little metal stop it came with, a little ugly aqua color. Well, it was too short because what I wanted to do is put the, what do you call it, the rods in, jam them at exactly 9 inches, sticking out, and the saw's right about here, and just, I don't know if you can see this. I wanted to put it in like that and just kind of lop them off so I can just keep jamming the next one because I have 18 more of these to cut. So what I did is I took apart an old table saw, have a whole bunch of pieces, had this little scrap rod laying around, and just welded a tab to it. So, and that's what I got. I got myself a perfectly good stop for my table, my drag saw. Not many people own drag saws, but hey, it's a good hack. New bracket. Basically, it's for this. When in doubt, make your own. That's what I say. Turn that off. That off. Let's move this out of the way.